Have you ever stopped to ponder the rhythm of life and the universe? The ebb and flow, the rise and fall, the push and pull? It's a captivating thought, isn't it? Everywhere you look, rhythms are unfolding. The sun rises in the morning, painting the sky with hues of gold and pink, then sets in the evening, leaving behind a canvas of stars. The seasons change, each one bringing with it a unique symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. The moon waxes and wanes, guiding the tides of the ocean with its celestial dance. These are not random events, but a testament to the existence of a universal principle. A principle that goes beyond our human existence, reaching far into the cosmos and yet is deeply intertwined with our daily lives. Today, we delve into this fascinating concept known as the law of rhythm. Join us in this exploration of life's symphony. The law of rhythm, by definition, states that everything in life has a natural cycle or rhythm. This law, folks, is as old as the universe itself and as intricate as the dance of celestial bodies in the cosmos. It's a law that governs the ebb and flow, the wax and wane, the rise and fall of all things in existence. Let's delve into this a little deeper. Think about nature. Consider the changing seasons, the blossoming of life in spring, the full bloom of summer, the slow retreat in fall, and the quiet slumber of winter. Each season follows the other in a rhythmic cycle year after year without fail. This is a perfect example of the law of rhythm at play. And it's not just the seasons. The day turns into night and night into day. The moon waxes and wanes. The tides rise and fall. All of these are examples of natural rhythms, of cycles that are predictable, reliable, and governed by the law of rhythm. But it's not exclusive to the grandeur of the cosmos or the ebb and flow of nature. This law also applies to the smallest of living organisms. Think about it, every living creature, from the tiniest of insects to the largest of mammals, goes through a life cycle: birth, growth, decline, and eventually, death. This cycle, this rhythm, is an inevitable part of existence. Now let's bring it closer to home, to us, humans. We too are part of this cosmic dance. Our thoughts, moods, and emotions, they all sway to the rhythm of life. There are times of joy and times of sorrow, periods of activity and periods of rest, moments of triumph and moments of defeat. And that's the beauty of the law of rhythm. It reminds us that life is not a straight line but a dance of cycles and rhythms. It shows us that everything is in constant motion, swinging like a pendulum between different states. Just as the universe dances to its own rhythm, so do we, our thoughts, moods, and emotions. So let's embrace this rhythm. Let's dance to this cosmic music, because in the end, we are all part of this grand rhythmic symphony of existence. Consider the rhythm within us. Our heartbeat, our breath, the blink of our eyes, all follow a certain rhythm. Just as the earth dances around the sun and the moon pirouettes around the earth, so too do we move in a dance of rhythm. This dance can be subtle, like the gentle rise and fall of our chests as we breathe, or it can be more pronounced, like the beat of our hearts that plays the music of life in our bodies. This rhythm is not confined to our physical selves. Think about the rhythm of your day. You wake, you work, you rest, and then you repeat. This is a rhythm, a cycle, a beat that you follow. It's a dance that shapes your life, day in and day out. Consider also the rhythm of our emotions. We experience highs and lows, peaks and valleys. There are times of joy, like the crescendo in a symphony, and times of sorrow, like the quiet, somber notes of a solitary piano. Even our economy dances to the rhythm. The market fluctuates, it rises and falls. It moves in cycles of growth and recession. This is a rhythm that impacts us individually and as a society. The law of rhythm is everywhere. It's in the universe, it's in nature, and it's within us. It's in the way we live, the way we feel, and the way we interact with the world around us. The rhythm is not always predictable, and it's not always easy to follow. But it's always there, always moving, always dancing. This rhythm, this ebb and flow, is not something to resist, but rather to understand and embrace. For it is in understanding the rhythm of life that we can learn to dance with it, rather than against it. And in this dance, we can find harmony, balance, and the beautiful melody of life itself. Now, understanding the law of rhythm is one thing, living in harmony with it is another. It's like knowing the rhythm of a dance, but it's another thing entirely to move your feet in time with the music. So how do we dance to the rhythm of life? First, we need to recognize and accept that life is a constant ebb and flow. Just as the tide rises and falls, so too do our circumstances, emotions, and experiences. This is not something to resist, but rather something to embrace. Just as a surfer doesn't fight the waves but rides them, we too can learn to ride the waves of life's rhythms. Mindfulness is a powerful tool in this journey. By being fully present in each moment, we can better perceive the rhythms of life and move in sync with them. It's about noticing the subtle shifts, the gentle ebbs and flows of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. It's not about trying to control the rhythm, but rather observing it, understanding it, and moving with it. Acceptance, too, plays a key role. It's about understanding that, just like the seasons, our lives will have periods of growth and periods of rest, times of joy and times of sorrow. By accepting this, we can navigate life's rhythms with more grace and ease. And lastly, the power of positive thinking cannot be understated. Just as a musician can turn a simple rhythm into a beautiful melody, we too can transform our experiences through the lens of positivity. When we're in a period of challenge, we can choose to see it as an opportunity for growth. When we're in a period of rest, we can choose to see it as a time for reflection and rejuvenation. By riding the waves of life's rhythms, we can navigate our journey with more grace and ease. It's not always easy, and it certainly takes practice. But when we learn to dance to the rhythm of life, we can truly live in harmony with the universe. Let's revisit the key points about the law of rhythm. This remarkable law is as old as the universe itself, governing everything from the celestial dance of planets to the shifting seasons on our planet. It's the cosmic metronome that keeps time for the entire universe. Just as the Earth revolves around the sun and the moon around the Earth, so too does the law of rhythm govern the flow of our financial systems and personal lives. We've explored how our thoughts, moods, and emotions, like the pendulum of an old grandfather clock, swing back and forth in a constant rhythm. This rhythm is not something to fear or resist. Instead, it's an essential part of our existence, a dance of change and constancy that we're all a part of. We've discussed how understanding and embracing this rhythm can help us navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and ease. Remember, just as a surfer rides the ocean waves, we too can learn to ride the waves of life's rhythms. When we're feeling low, we can take comfort in knowing that, like the pendulum, we'll eventually swing back towards joy and gratitude. And when we're riding high, we can appreciate those moments for the treasures they are, knowing they're part of life's ever-changing rhythm. Recognize that rhythm is not just an abstract concept, but a tangible force that influences our daily lives. We can't stop the rhythm, but we can learn to move with it, to dance to its beat, and to use its momentum to propel us forward. Remember, life is a dance to the rhythm of the universe, so dance well. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your comments are important to us.